I'm here with Marshall Goldsmith, the #1 leadership thinker in the world and the #1 executive coach in the world. Hi, Marshall.
Happy to be here.
I'm so thankful for all the things that I learned from you in the past 5 years. And there were so many clients who have benefited from the stakeholder-centered coaching process, all the insights I got from the trainings we did together. And I'm very grateful for that.
Thank you. Well, I'd like to say how proud I am of you. You have done a fantastic job, #1, of helping clients. I feel like you've done such a great job of helping your clients achieve positive long-term change in behavior, helping people not only be better leaders, better friends, better family members, better human beings. And the other thing is, I love the application you've come up with to really translate what we do into day-to-day behavior for leaders. So thank you so much. I'm so proud to be associated with you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.